Stop wasting time with boring back workouts. If you want that wide, demon-style back, this is the routine you've been missing. Exercise 1. Wide grip lat pull-down. If you want that wide, V-taper back, this is a must. Sit down on the lat pull-down machine, grab the bar with a wide overhand grip, and keep your back straight. Pull the bar down to your upper chest, hold for a second or two, then control it back up to the starting position. Always stretch your lats at the top. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 2. Bent over barbell row. For thickness and raw strength, nothing beats this move. Grab a barbell with an overhand grip, shoulder width apart. Bend forward slightly with a straight back, then row the bar toward your abs. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top, then lower the bar slowly without jerking. Stick to 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives with proper weight. Exercise 3. Machine pullover. Perfect for isolating and stretching the lats. If your gym has a pullover machine, use it, or substitute with a dumbbell pullover. Grab the handles, bend your elbows slightly, and bring your arms overhead while stretching the lats. Slowly return under control. Use light weight to focus on form. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Pull UPS. No back day is complete without pull-ups. This bodyweight staple targets your lats, biceps, and grip strength. Grab the bar with a wide overhand grip and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Lower slowly for maximum tension. Beginners can use support or bands. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 5. Seated cable row. This move hits your middle back and helps carve definition. Sit at the cable row machine, grab the handle with an overhand grip, and pull it toward your upper abs. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds while squeezing your shoulder blades, then return slowly. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Incline Dumbbell Row, chest supported. For serious back isolation, set an adjustable bench to an incline and lie chest down. Hold dumbbells with an overhand grip, let them hang straight down. Then row them up while squeezing your shoulder blades. Lower slowly and increase the weight each set. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 7. Rope straight arm pull down, finisher. This is the ultimate back day finisher to blow up your lats. Attach a rope to the high pulley, stand a step back, and grab both ends. With straight arms, pull the rope down toward your thighs, then control it back up with a full stretch. Keep your core tight and back straight. Crush 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives.